Hi all, I am Gauri Shankar from Wealth Quotient. We are into distribution of financial services, wealth management and protection solutions. Friends, today let us discuss about the importance of investment in gold. Gold as an asset class has delivered a compounded returns of 10% in this decade. Considering this, is buying a physical gold or an ornament be considered as a good investment option? Don't think so. Let us go through the finer details. Suppose a 1 gram gold is bought for a price of rupees 3000. After deducting all the incidental charges like making charges and GST, an investor is left with a net profit of only 6% compounded returns. In case if the investor wants to liquidate the gold, a buyback deduction of 5% is generally applicable. If we take all these deductions, the investor is left with a net profit of only 5% CAGR. Now, does this match with the 10% return that is claimed? Actually not. Does this mean that investment in gold should not be done? Answer is no. Gold must have an allocation of 10 to 15% of our overall investment portfolio. To get better returns, we should look at investing in a gold mutual fund rather than a physical gold. What are the advantages of a gold mutual fund? Firstly, there is no purity associated risk, unlike a physical gold. Can be transacted just like your regular mutual fund investment. Can be invested through a SIP route with an investment of less than rupees 1000 per month. Does not attract any GST. Can be accepted as a collateral or guarantee just like your physical gold. Now let's go through the comparison of investment between a physical gold versus the gold mutual fund. As you can see, there are no making charges in a gold mutual fund. No GST applicable. This will ensure that a net profit of 1831 is earned against a net profit of 1123 in physical gold. At the time of liquidation, again there are no charges, as you can see. The net profit in a gold mutual fund is 10% as against 5% in physical gold. Kindly note, at the time of crisis, selling a gold becomes emotionally challenging, whereas an investment in gold mutual fund provides the necessary leverage and flexibility without compromising on returns. You can invest in a gold mutual fund with these leading mutual fund companies. Hope this information was useful to take an informed decision. For any further queries or information that you need, you can reach out to us in the contact number and the email ID mentioned on the screen. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you.